Roshan and Christian kasi. I'm going to interview you about the influential role of girls, and I have some questions, and here are some. The first question is, what are the ways by which boys are influenced by girls to perform better in school? According to your rank, please check it.
Rank 1 is giving advice to study before exam. Rank 2, challenge him or her to do better. 3, inspire my presence. 4, help do assignments, projects, and etc. 5, spending time together doing assignments, projects, and etc. Muna akong pamaagi sa pag-rank kay based sa akong experience.
Okay. So the second one is it really true that you lost time to your studies when he entered in your life?
Disagree.
Why?
I know my priorities.
Okay. What priorities like?
Texting her, I'm doing my assignment first.
Before testing. Is it true that you become more inspired when you met him?
Maybe.
Why?
Mas naganahan ako sa sila.
What are the outcomes of girls influencing boys?
They become more confident now than before.
Why do you think that is your answer?
Because mas na-inspired sila.
Do you think it's necessary to be influenced by girls?
No?
Why?
Because boys can live better.
You just said that girls can live without boys.
Yes.
Okay. Do you think girls are more competitive than boys?
Yes. Sayang taas sila pride. Kundi kanang mangandir sa
So, the next is how often are influenced in your
never. I'm not really influenced by
you wala ka experience
wala.
pero according to your first the number one question di ba ningon mo ka nga naka-base ka sa imong experience niya
Ayun.
manong ningon naman ka sa dili nga kanang never
Kaya yung bigay ko if kaya ba sa akong parents sa mga
sa imong parents ra ka nag-depend.
Ah.
Okay. Do girls really influence boys in their studies?
Maybe.
Why?
Depends. Kanang unsa yung mga rules sa ingnan sa study di sa tawag sa exam kayo study sa tawag yan ba?
Okay. Text or
Kanang kita
kita. Is it really true that you forgot your responsibility as a student since you enter a relationship with him? Disagree. Why?
Kaya ba mo sa mga limitations?
Limitations like unsa man nga kanang masagaran responsibility sa student nga imo dapat unahon.
Buhaton una mga assignments, projects sa siya.
Okay. So the question number 10 is how often the influential role of girls is at work in your school?
Pwede lang?
How often the influential role of girls is at work in your school? Just look at your answer and share it to me. Never. Why?
I have none. Yan, hindi na ako explain.
Okay. So, kung wala man kayo ka-explain, so ayan ka sa part 2. So, okay. How do you inspire or influence your boyfriend or crushes to perform better in school?
Be a good example as well as a teacher.
So, mao na imong pamaagi sa pag-inspire niya. So, okay. The second is, what are the advantages of having a girlfriend?
You'll be inspired to do better and to be better.
Aside of that, what more?
And mas ganahan ko mong focus sa akong pag-skilla.
Okay. How do you maximize good outcomes that you get from the influence from girls?
By applying or using their teaching influence.
Okay. That's a good idea. What are the ways of minimizing the risk of having a relationship?
Set boundaries.
Please explain that.
Kana ang limitations.
No limitations para
Tanawon lang para hindi siya makapikto.
okay. Number 5. How does relationship affect in your studies?
Ganahan ko mo graduate
Kanang
mas gana ko sila.
some of that unsa pa man imong ganahan jud kanang sa inyong relasyon sa pagkuan sa imong pag-eskwela.